Sabrine is here to help us all out with what makes her stand differently, what makes her AIR 6. Am I right, Sabrine? Are you happy about it?
Yeah, I'm happy about it, and thank you for this introduction.
Yeah. Are you excited for the class?
Yes, I'm excited. Like I
Oh,
might meet my potential juniors.
oh wow. Yes, for sure. I hope
Yes,
you see them there and you feel like a mentor to them again. है ना वो
yes.
वाला फीलिंग आता है ना एकदम किसी को सामने से देख के कि ओ आई
Huh.
वाज योर मेंटोर अब रैगिंग करने में ज्यादा मजा आएगी
Yeah,
करेक्ट
yeah, I'll be ragging. Yeah,
यस
there'll be time for ragging for sure.
so I hope you guys see each other very very soon but right now it's over to you Sabrine you can start with your class all the best
Okay, thank you. Hi, guys. I'd like to start with my introduction. I'm Sabrine. Before joining NLS, I did my undergrads in psychology from Kerala, Calicut University. Would you guys give us a thumbs up if you're hearing me and if you're understanding me? Okay, thank you, Rahul, Harsh, Sumit. Okay, so I'm basically from Kerala, from Thrissur. So I'd like to say that this was my second attempt at NLSAT. My first attempt, so it was in 2023. During my first attempt, I couldn't complete part B questions. Like it was difficult for me to manage the time. I contributed most of my time in part A. And so I scored well in part A, but didn't pass the minimum criteria for part B. And so, but I did get into CLC. So I joined CLC for a year and then I was like, should I try one last time? And then I gave it a try and then I cracked it. I couldn't manage the time in the first part, in the first attempt I gave. So I effectively managed and I practiced mocks. That was what helped me through. That is, even though I couldn't complete like the 2.5 hours, right? Yes, same. We have also left CLC for. Yeah, the exam is 2.5 hours, as you know. So I couldn't complete, so I couldn't do full mocks. So yes, you can also complete part B in first attempt, but it's very easy once you get the knack of how you complete. So first, I couldn't. There won't be time to complete the full mocks 2.5 hours. So we could do part A at first and then part B. That is practice writing. If we won't practice, it would be hard to complete. And first, before going into the how to crack the entrance, I would suggest how life is at NLS to give an idea about how it is. First of all, NLS is rigorous. I would suggest that CLC we don't have to attend classes. Like we would doing proxy, we would be fine. But here attendance is 75%, and the classes are really great. That is, we have well qualified professors. Not that CLC don't have well qualified, but in NLS we have from the one in the first. I'm just first trimester in the first sem. So the professor who is teaching me jurisprudence is a gold medalist from Cambridge University. So think about it. And also there's another professor from US. He's also teaching jurisprudence. He was also a graduate from Cambridge University. And we have to in jurisprudence, we have to I'm in NLS right now. I was in CLC, then I joined in NLS. So in jurisprudence, we have to study theories, right? So there was this theory by Kramer regarding jurisprudence. And the person who wrote the theory itself, he took a class for us, like online. He's in the US. So Professor Kramer taught us. We are studying his theory, and he basically taught us like one-on-one session, and it was great. So that's about the professors. They are well qualified, and we have this group assignments, case presentation. It's molding us for the long time. It can be at times stressful, but if we can manage the time effectively, there would be it would be easy for us. Yeah, it's just October, right? We can easily crack it. I just cracked NLSAT when it was I started preparing for it from November, December, I think so. October is you can crack it very easily if you just like practice mocks effectively. By now, just practice one mock a week or so, but do practice writing essays and yes, academic pressure in NLS. What kind of a question is that?